Hello dear students, welcome to a new video today. Today I will discuss about a very interesting topic, that is the renewable and non-renewable energies in our surrounding. The renewable energies are obtained from the renewable resources and non-renewable energies are obtained from the non-renewable resources from the nature. So let's discuss it in details. The natural resources are classified as renewable and non-renewable based on their availability and the capacity to regenerate. So the availability and the time they take to regenerate are different for both the renewable and non-renewable resources. First, we will discuss about the renewable resources. These are the resources which can be regenerated naturally within a short period of time, often within a human lifetime. It can be regenerated within a human lifetime only. So it takes a very short span of time to be regenerated. That's why it is known as renewable resources. There are some examples of renewable energies. First is solar energy. It is the energy from the sunlight which is abundant in nature. With the help of the solar panels, the energies from the sunlight are being utilized. Then the wind energy. It is generated from the movement of air, and also it is sustainable. It will not harm our environment. And also wind energy is abundant in nature. Then the hydropower. These are the powers generated from the rivers, streams, rainfall, and all are natural resources. But the overuse or pollution can limit the availability of the hydropower. As the hydropower is natural and water is abundant on our earth, that's why it is also classified as renewable energy. Then the biomass. It is the organic material like wood, crop, and animal waste which can be regenerated. Also, it can be managed sustainably without harming our environment. And also geothermal energy is also a renewable energy, and it is the heat from the earth's interior. Like sunlight, it is also abundant in nature, and geothermal energy is also a renewable resource. The advantages of the renewable resources are it can be used sustainably without harming the environment, and also it is eco-friendly in nature, and these energies cause minimal environmental impact. Then the limitations. What are the limitations? It can be dependent on location and climate, because sunlight can be used in that place where it is available in a good amount, and the wind energy can be used in that area in which movement of air is good. The hydropower cannot be obtained in that area where there is a scarcity of water. So it is dependent on location and climate. And the initial infrastructure of these energy resources are very high in cost. It is eco-friendly but not cost effective. This is all about renewable energy. We will discuss about the non-renewable resources. These are finite and take millions of years to form. Once they are depleted, they cannot be replenished on a human time scale. So non-renewable resources are available in a limited amount. The examples, we will discuss the examples. First is the fossil fuels, the coal, oil, and the natural gas. These are formed from the ancient organic matter. Take hundred and thousands of years to form. Then the minerals and metals, the gold, silver, copper, and other materials extracted from the earth's crust are also non-renewable resources. These are finite in nature. Then the nuclear fuels. The nuclear fuels like uranium and thorium used for nuclear power generation are also non-renewable resources. These are also available in a limited amount. What are the advantages of the non-renewable resources? They have a very high energy density. The fossil fuels are efficient energy resources of the earth. The coal, the oils like the petrol, diesel, and the natural gas, all are being used in a very large scale on the earth in our daily activity. And there is also a established infrastructure for the extraction and use of the fossil fuels. Then what are the limitations? There is a depletion risk. As we discussed, once it is depleted, then it cannot be regenerated within a human time scale. So there is a depletion risk of the non-renewable resources, and there is a significant environmental impact of these resources. It causes the greenhouse gas emission or habitat destruction for many animals too. And ultimately it contributes to the climate change. It is the requirement of the time that the transitioning to the renewable resources from non-renewable resources is very essential for the sustainable future on the earth. It will also reduce the dependence on the non-renewable resources. Also, it will help to mitigate with the climate change. So this is all about the renewable and non-renewable energy in our nature. I will give a brief discussion about the difference between the renewable and non-renewable energy in a short video. So subscribe and stay connected. This is all for today. Thank you.